The goal with this activity is to teach your body how to move segments independently, move with less tension. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to lie flat on your back with your arms chilling at your side. And then what you're going to do from this point is you're going to slowly slide your leg up, making sure above your stomach is completely relaxed. Take a breath of air in. Exhale, get it out. Nasal breathe the rest of the way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lift your leg up in the air. You're going to take your knee and you're going to roll, reach it across your body and try to roll your body one segment at a time, making sure that your arms, nothing assists. You're just moving one piece at a time. You don't want everything to roll as one block. You want to think about your back staying on the ground as long as you can until that is the only option left to move. I'm going to keep reaching. Just like that. Roll it back, do it again. You might feel a little bit of groin on this. It's totally okay. Make sure the opposite leg stays relaxed as well. One more for the Gipper. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.